If you're in the market for an ice-making solution, check out the new NEO from Manitowoc Ice. It could be the perfect fit for you and your operation. Rather than transporting ice from other areas of your operation, NEO delivers the ice right to where you need it, within reach. Perfect for restaurants, bars, cafes, coffee shops, stadium boxes, and offices. Anywhere you need a convenient source of ice. NEO, the everywhere you need ice machine. The engineers at Manitowoc Ice have come up with a new way and a new approach to supplying ice for your business. It's a new standard, a new class, a new level of performance, intelligence, and convenience. NEO is an all-in-one, under-counter ice making and storage solution, an ice maker and a bin, all in one. At up to 320 pounds of ice production over a 24-hour period, that's the equivalent of more than 1,000 drinks per day. NEO outperforms in energy conservation as well, with more ENERGY STAR qualified models than ever before. In fact, compared to our previous line, NEO delivers up to 40 pounds more ice with at least 25% less water and 10% less energy. That's performance you can put straight to your bottom line. When you're running a busy operation, the last thing you want to worry about is your ice machine. NEO comes with built-in intelligence that takes the worry away. Just imagine when you start the day, the illuminated power button tells you the machine is up and running. The full bin indicator lets you know the ice you need has been made. NEO features a delay mode to take energy and water conservation to a whole new level as well. Now you can pause production without disabling the machine for 4, 12, or 24 hours. Perfect for days you're closed or for working around slower periods. A service indicator has been added to give notice that service may be required. This alert can serve as an early warning so that the machine can continue to operate while service is being called. Under-counter ice is all about convenience. The ability to place an ice machine exactly where it's needed most makes perfect sense for so many operations. And when you make a NEO part of your operation, you'll see that Manitowoc Ice has made owning, operating, and maintaining your NEO convenient too. Here's why. We've simplified the food zone and made it easier to clean with rounded corners, and the components have been moved away from the food zone to give you less to clean around. And for parts that do need to be removed for a full cleaning, we've attached them with thumb screws so that no tools are required when removing them. Luminice growth inhibitor option is also available for all NEO models, proven to be effective in reducing mold, yeast, and bacteria by independent lab testing. This unit can help reduce the cleaning frequency and time needed to clean. The exterior features new panels that are fingerprint resistant and easy to wipe clean. The air filter is conveniently located on the front of the machine, where it can be removed and rinsed clean with ease. We even redesigned the scoop and holder. Not only is the scoop more comfortable in your hand, it's easier to retrieve ice without making hand contact with it. Much more sanitary. And the scoop stores conveniently inside the bin on the left or right side, so it's always there when you need it. NEO has been designed for serviceability. A removable bin makes it easy to perform service while the machine sits in place. This, along with modular construction, makes the machine much easier and faster to service. Less money out of your pocket, especially after the warranty expires. That's why, when you need a convenient ice solution that makes sense, hit NEO by Manitowoc Ice, the everywhere you need ice machine.